Alright, so I just got tatted at OC Tattoo, and this is who I got tatted by.
Yeah, this is Beto at OC Tattoo. We've done this, butterflies and matching tattoos for my clients. They took it like a champ. If you want to come to get tattooed at OC Tattoo, just DM us or look it up octattoo.com.
Alright. Yes.
So I get it on her left side or right side?
We got on the right side, both of us.
Oh, okay.
I have another pull. I don't want two pull in one. So weird.
Hey guys, before I start this vlog, just a little update. What the freak is this? Before I start this vlog, just a little update. In the last video, me and my best friend got matching tattoos, and before I even got to say anything, my camera died, and we got it from this guy that works at a tattoo shop. His tattoo shop is located in the city of Orange County, so you know, OC, that's where I live too. And yeah, I highly recommend him. His work is very good. It was the first time getting tattooed there, and I'm surprised. It was really nice because my tattoo came out very nice, and the detail and everything of how the lines and coloring were, I like really liked it. So hopefully you guys, if you guys are looking for a tattoo artist, his name is Beto. I'm not sure how to. I will link his Instagram down below in the description. I think that's all I have to say, but let's get into this video. Why are you barking? Why are you barking? Draco? You're a scaredy cat. Come on, Draco. Draco. Hey guys, I'm starting this vlog off at the beach with Draco right now. Finally got parking, took forever. Oh my god. But made it. It feels so good. Feels good out here though. Like windy, and Draco's having fun. Like, I'm gonna probably settle down first, and then I'll catch you guys in a bit. You want your apple? Why are you? No, you're eating the sand. Come here. Come here. Come here, Draco. Faces. Look at his face. Oh my god, you're so dirty. Clean. Good boy. You want apple? You want apple? Sit, Draco, sit. No, Draco, sit. Draco, sit. Draco, sit. 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 Good boy. Draco, stay. Draco, stay. Paw. Other one. No, I didn't tell you down. Up. Sit. Sit. No, come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Stay. There you go. Just a little. I wanted to get out the house because I feel like it's a good Saturday and, you know, might as well enjoy it outside instead of staying in the house. Let's see. I just dropped off my boyfriend earlier at work, so it's just gonna be me and Draco today. And right now I'm feeding him apples. He's been good. He's been listening now and stuff. Oh, and he's 7 months now. So yeah, I've been teaching him like new tricks too. Draco. Sit. So how's your guys' days going? Hopefully it's going good. It's not so hot today, but it actually feels good outside. It's not a lot of people. I'm away from everybody, so that's why I don't have a mask on. I mean, I know you're supposed to have a mask on, but I'm kind of far away, like really far away from everybody. Like the water's over there and I'm like away from that area, so yeah. I'm only gonna be here for like a couple minutes because I wanted to take Draco to the beach, so he's not so kept up in the house the whole time. That's why. But yeah, he's been eating sand. I feel so bad. Oh my god. Draco, wanna run around with me? You wanna play with your papa? You wanna play with your papa? You wanna play with mama? Come on. I'm so tired. You're tired. You're tired. Oh shit. Made it to the car. Come on. We're here, Papas. Draco, let's go home. Let's go home. Come on. This way. Oh my god, this fucking sucks. I'm stuck in traffic. Like a little puppas, you're tired, huh? It's okay, we're almost home. Okay guys, so I just got home and traffic was so bad. Oh my god. But I made it home safe, and Draco is right here. He woke up, says he know that he's home already. But yeah, my tattoo update, it's still like healing right now. It's like peeling, like the skin is starting to peel. And oh my god, it's so itchy, and I don't want to itch it. It's been about a week already, but yeah, I think that's how the process works, because you can tell I have a lot of tattoos. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video with me and Draco at the beach. So far it was a good day, and I think Draco had a good day because he looked like he had fun. Did you have fun today, Babas? You had fun? Yes? You had fun? Oh my god, you're so tired. I think he's ready to go upstairs now. Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope I can vlog some more, because I'm still trying to get used to this whole vlogging thingy. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe and like this video, and bye guys.